Kesorkar jelah hakakat waitrek ujemang, kala ai gejeng menjur, ya gejeng terwa banten wandor ke SF10, banten telat mai kendon, jongga Meghalaya Special Force Amendment Rules arajar kat Nrio. Menteri Korbari gejela Meghalaya ubak men Romboy, habai keren bikinau patai kubor ulong. Bakat kum gejeng menjur kesorkar jela di Bandon, Syihajar nyuspa prapusawut kipulet SF10. Hendrai kum bagalong mentai kidon tang Syihajar laispa prapu hinyau, baladan kam banten wandur thamai hakaba khandai spa sanwut kenne aka SF10 kat bai ke berangsa kata sauspa prapu arngut on pen kedria no ikish district di outpost SDPO kat kum gejingdon kam. Ulong basisen bag sarkar kalapan klanya gejingdon ki pulet hakal lagi district anla bantek la kam ki bobon ki kam sni ke baja mana kesni hakal lang gejela. Ubala kemen rumboy ulong mag sarkar galatau ke SF10 kadai ban pet halor ke jinglong jingman bat kesuk kesan ke jela kam tama ke bedai ki kam pentriam jong ki kenhun ki atiar bat haba ki kam le no kila sedang banduna bha kum talarai ban penwandur thamai ya ke SF10 nalor kani ubala kemen rumboy ulong mag sarkar jela kala ajing menjeru ban penkelano ki kendon jong ke Meghalaya Public Security Agency rule arajar arpuai balarai ban penkelai kini ki kendon namar bag sarkar preng ha ubnai no opra kesnam arajar arpo kelawan ra ke jing penkela ha barok ko wikari ulong bawala ka jela keladon ki rule ki barem kalong kebadan kam bandon no ki rule ki bathamai namar ba keladon bun ki jing penkela.
So these Meghalaya Security Agency rules 2021 have been approved by the cabinet. These rules necessitated due to the fact that the central government in December 2020 brings out the model rules for all over the country. So do we have previous rules, so there is the need to bring out the new rules, but since there is so many changes, so we have decided to bring out a new rules altogether which called the Meghalaya Private Security Agency Rules 2021. The Honorable Cabinet has approved the proposal to restructure the Special Force 10, SF10, and the amendment of Meghalaya Special Force Amendment Rules 2016. So we know that the strength of the SF10 approved by the cabinet is 1,784. And the actual strength as of now is 1,387. So we want to restructure it in such a way that 905 will remain in SF10 and the rest we could transfer to the district or to any outpost or SDPO as the case may be. So this also, both the rules and the restructuring have been approved by the cabinet. Number 3, the cabinet has approved the amendment of service rule relating to the establishment of the Directorate of Dairy Development brought about by the Animal and Husbandry Department. And number 4 is the minor amendment to the Meghalaya Stamp Payment of Duty by means of E-Stamp Rule 2020. So these are the 4 items which the cabinet has approved.